Welcome to Hungary, a land of hot springs, hearty dishes, and heroic history in the heart of Europe. Hungary is a landlocked country in Central Europe, bordered by Austria, Slovakia, Ukraine, Romania, Serbia, Croatia, and Slovenia. Its capital, Budapest, is often called one of Europe's most beautiful cities, split by the majestic Danube River into Buda and Pest. Hungary has around 9.6 million people. The official language is Hungarian, one of the most unique languages in Europe, and the currency is the Hungarian forint, HUF. Hungary is a parliamentary republic with a president as head of state and a prime minister as head of government. It's a member of the European Union, NATO, and the UN. The economy is diverse, with strong sectors in automotive manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and tourism. Nature in Hungary is flat but beautiful. The Great Hungarian Plain stretches across the east, while Lake Balaton, Central Europe's largest lake, offers beaches, sailing, and vineyards. The Danube River runs through the country, providing both scenery and history. Hungary also boasts more than 1,000 thermal springs, with spa towns like Heves and Széchenyi baths in Budapest drawing visitors from around the world. Hungarian culture is proud and deeply rooted. The country was once part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire and has a long tradition of music, literature, and invention. Franz Liszt and Béla Bartók shaped classical music. Rubik's Cube was invented here, and many Nobel Prize winners trace their roots to Hungary. Though most Hungarians are Roman Catholic, the culture is very secular. National celebrations include St. Stephen's Day in August and Revolution Day in March. Folklore is rich with embroidery, traditional dancing, and regional costumes. Fun fact: Hungary was one of the first countries to adopt a written constitution in Europe. Hungarian food is full of flavor. Paprika is the star spice, used in everything from gulyás, goulash, to chicken paprikash. Other favorites include langos, fried dough with toppings, toltott kapasta, stuffed cabbage, and dobos torte, a layered chocolate cake. Meals are hearty and often accompanied by fruit brandy called palinka. Sports are big in Hungary. The country excels in water sports, fencing, and gymnastics. It ranks among the top countries in Olympic medals per capita. Football is beloved, and Hungary's golden team of the 1950s is legendary. Why visit? Stroll across Budapest's Chain Bridge, relax in a centuries-old thermal bath, take a river cruise on the Danube, or explore medieval castles and colorful villages. Hungary is warm, welcoming, and wonderfully unique. Whether you're drawn by the spas, the spice, or the stories, Hungary is ready to surprise you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.